My name is Bridget Castelluccio. I'm a member of the Grantwood AA Digital Learning Team, and our team is excited to kick off a new series of tips and tricks focused on accessibility. We have created, in collaboration with our communication team and various consultants, a top 8 checklist when thinking about creating content and resources for audiences. In each of the videos, we will focus and dive a little bit deeper on each of those tips. But for today, I'm just going to give you a sneak peek on what those are. This is our sneak peek to our top 8 digital accessibility checklist and resource page. We will be featuring each week our top 8, beginning with easy to read fonts, color contrast, image descriptions, landmarks and styles, descriptive links, concise and clear language, closed captioning, and then we have a mnemonic called Slide, which will help you when you're creating either documents or presentations and wanting to make sure that they are empathetic in their design and inclusive with accessibility. So each week, look forward to a little deeper dive into one of our accessibility checklists so that you can create content that is accessible to your audiences. We look forward to sharing in the future, and as always, reach out to your digital learning consultant for any questions.